Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin on the watch face. Make sure the screen is awake and unlocked. Tap the Settings app because this is where volume lives. Once inside, find Sounds and Haptics. This is the control hub. Make sure Silent Mode and Theater Mode are off, since they mute audio. If either is on, toggle it off. You do this first to ensure volume changes actually take effect and to avoid wasting time adjusting settings that are overridden by mute modes. Now you'll change the actual levels. Tap volume and then rotate the digital crown to raise the speaker level. You'll hear test sounds if sound is enabled. At the same time, set haptic strength slightly higher so you still feel alerts if the watch is worn. Make sure cover to mute is configured how you prefer, because it silences alerts without adjusting volume. This step ensures both audible and tactile feedback match your environment and prevent surprises when you get a call or notification. Finish by testing. Play music, set a short alarm, or call your watch to confirm volume. If you hear nothing, restart the watch. Simple reboots often clear audio glitches. Make sure Watch OS is up to date. Updates sometimes fix sound bugs. If problems persist, reset settings or unpair and repair with your iPhone, but back up first. One key troubleshooting tip. Check whether audio is routed to Bluetooth headphones or your iPhone. Switching outputs often restores sound immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.